Hello. Phrasal verbs we take. Take off, to remove something such as clothing, or to depart, especially an aircraft. She took off her jacket before entering the room. The plane took off right on time. Take on, to accept responsibility or confront a challenge. Sarah decided to take on the new project at work. Take up, to start or begin a hobby or an activity. Tom decided to take up painting in his free time. Take in, to understand or absorb information. It took me a while to take in all the details of the report. Take out, to remove or extract something. He took out his wallet to pay for the meal. Take over, to assume control or responsibility. The new manager will take over the department next week. Take after, to resemble a family member, usually in appearance or behavior. She really takes after her mother. They have the same smile. Take down, to write down or dismantle something. Please take down these notes during the meeting. Take back, to retract or return something. I need to take back his book to the library before it's overdue.